We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this mountain range, these mountains in Utah and a bit Colorado, Wyoming. Uinta, 3 syllables, U, N, ta, stress on the N syllable. Uinta. We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this mountain range, these mountains in Utah and a bit Colorado, Wyoming. Uinta, 3 syllables, U, N, ta, stress on the N syllable. Uinta. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.